What's up, everyone? This is Emilio, and in this video I'm going to be going over our rehab that we got here in Roseville, Michigan. We are 30 days in on this rehab, and this was the property that we're converting from a 2-bedroom back to a 3-bedroom, but we had to move some walls and things like that, as you remember from the last video. But we are past the demo phase. We're past all the mechanical phases. So demo and clean out is done. We now have all the mechanicals in, so the plumbing's updated, the electrical for the kitchen's all updated, and then the furnace, we had to move some ductwork and things like that. We have completed the framing to convert that 2nd bedroom into a 3rd bedroom, and I'll show you what we did. And now we're putting into the floor, we put the flooring in, and we have the cabinets in. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video and like this content, please subscribe to the channel, comment below. If you are looking to invest in the Michigan area, I am in the Detroit area. I'm a real estate investor here. I do wholesaling as well, but we do construction as well. So you get to see some of the work that we're doing here. So if you have a property that you're looking to get bid on, if you need help with your property and get it renovated, please reach out to me. There's a link in the description below. And let me turn this camera around so you can see the progress. All right, here's the progress right now. As you can see, we got new flooring in. I splurged a little on the vinyl flooring. I probably did overspend on the vinyl flooring, but what we did before was, as you can see, there's a hallway down here. And if in the last video, what you saw was there was no hallway here. It was one big open living room. And then they if you come in here, the door for the 3rd bedroom was right here. So that's where the door was, and it was one, and this was, they had a fireplace here. They were gonna put a fireplace here, and it was just one big living room area. Now, the reason why we're converting this is because I don't like 2 bedrooms. The value of them is much lower than the 3 bedrooms. So if we're gonna convert, we have to move some stuff around, but it's much better when it comes to selling. They appraise much better as well. So what we did here was, again, we reframed the wall. There's some electrical here as well. And then we moved the door from here, and then we opened this door down here. And then we drywalled up that door. And then if you come over here, we put a closet here for the 2nd bedroom. We ran electrical here, and here's the mechanical stuff is, you know, like your plumbing, electrical, and your HVAC. There wasn't a furnace, there wasn't a vent here. So we had to run vent from the basement up through here. And then we did, that was our framing. And then we did the drywall, mud and taping, which is here. And then we did all the doors. So, you know, they open and close smoothly. We put trim up on all the doors. And I did get my flooring from, where's it? Home Depot. We get most of my flooring from Home Depot. This was $379 a square foot. That's where I splurged a little, to be honest. If you see my Santa Rosa property, that was only $1.99 a square foot. That was Traffic Master. I personally just like the look of this one. And to be honest, I don't want to mess around with, like, I want to try and make this place look as great as possible. So if I got to spend $379, I think it cost me an extra $600. I'm going to do it. We got to sell this one fast. Here's the kitchen. Again, took out all the cabinets. Ideally, what we wanted to do was, the original owners had put the plumbing and electrical for a dishwasher, 18-inch dishwasher right there. But what we're doing is, we're gonna put the dishwasher here, and we could put a regular sized dishwasher right here. So that's what we're gonna do. Dishwasher here, stove, microwave, and then the fridge goes here. And again, what we wanted to do, what I do with all my flips now, I put in a dishwasher, I put in a garbage disposal. And again, this isn't for a rental. If it was a rental, I wouldn't have a dishwasher. I mean, again, it depends on like where it is, but most of my rentals are medium to low income. So no dishwashers, no garbage disposals, nothing with moving parts that could break. No ceiling fans, and in these rooms we're gonna put ceiling fans. Oh, back to what I was saying before. So we put a hallway here, and this is all new drywall here. And this is where the door was for the bathroom before. And what we did was we blocked this off, and then we put the door here. Now, the only issue that you know, never gonna have a perfect scenario. You just have to pick the lesser of two evils. So when you come in, we move the plumbing for the toilet to be here. So again, this is where the door was. We drywalled it off. Toilet here, vanity here, and we just have to get a vanity that's 19 inches or 20 inches in depth. So this door will swing right by it. A lot of vanities are 21 to 22 in depth. So we have to find the vanity that's the right depth, and I found some already that we could use. And what I wanted to do originally was to bump out this shower portion so we could have a full-size tub, but it didn't end up falling that way. And the reason why, I mean, this looks great in general, but it is stand-up shower only. There is no sit-down tub. I know a lot of people are selling houses now that have, a lot of people don't have tubs in their house. They all have shower stand-ups. But I wanted to put a tub in here for like a family that have kids, because my kids always do bath time. But the reason why we couldn't do that is because if we bumped out the wall here, we wouldn't be able to have the door here. So to put the door here and make a straight shot to the back, we had to, make this a stand-up shower, just shy of a bathtub. So, but it still turned out pretty good. I did finally remember to tell them that I wanted this little, I can't remember again. I don't remember the name of it. I forgot last time, but I made sure they put it in there this time. Penny tile on the floor, looks pretty good. And then coming here to the third bedroom, biggest bedroom of the place. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah, one of the reasons why I did want to put, convert this back into a 3-bedroom is because of the resale value. We needed to have this thing sell for a high amount. And if we rehabbed it as a 2-bedroom, pulling the comps, we would have been a good $30,000, $40,000 shy, to be honest. 2 bedrooms didn't sell a ton in this area. Let me turn the camera around real quick. Yeah, 2 bedrooms didn't really sell very well here. There wasn't a lot of people flipping 2 bedrooms. So a lot of the 2 bedrooms were, meticulously maintained, or they were lived in 2 bedrooms, and they were selling for like $125,000. I think I saw one at like $135,000, but it had a huge lot and a 2-car garage. We have a standard lot and a 1-car garage. So I think the value of this, if we were to fix it up and flip it as a 2-bedroom, would have been like $125,000, $130,000. The 3 bedrooms are selling now for like $155,000, $160,000. We didn't add another bathroom here. We just kept it as a one bathroom, but everything in here is pretty much brand new. So from what I've seen from a lot of the comps in this neighborhood, a lot of the houses were nice and lived in and updated, but they were lived in. This is completely vacant, and everything pretty much is brand new, never used before. So, and again, we are going to be adding the appliances to the house. So, let me show you the 3rd bedroom. 3rd bedroom, pretty standard. And again, we did nothing to this bedroom. This was here. We're going to put a closet door here. This was here. This is how it was. Thankfully, we didn't have to do nothing. We're putting carpet in all the bedrooms. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me along I'll show you the progress of this rehab. And if you have any questions, again, just reach out to me in the link in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.